Wait, what's good? What's poppin'? It's Belle 600. Well, almost 600. Could be at like 590 something at the time that I'm recording this video. Who y'all think y'all is? Like, y'all is coming through. Yes. Pause. Hold up. Let me show you what time it is. All right. Wow, my iPad just died. Sad. It's 10:02 at night, 10 p.m. I just got off work, so if I look beat, don't come for me. You already know what I'm gonna say. Don't come for me in the comments, because you can rub my set. I just got off work, probably look like crazy. Trying to throw this little jacket on and brush my wig a little bit so I look like something. But like, it's 10 o'clock at night, and I'm about to record this Q&A for y'all because I've been sick all week, and I was off my game. Like, I couldn't record for y'all, and I'm sorry. Lo siento, I'm sorry. So, I'm gonna record one today. I'm gonna upload that joint tomorrow. And I'm gonna still bust out 2 videos next week because I ain't playing no game. So without further ado, let's get into it. Period. 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 Okay, the iPad about to die, so I'm gonna try to get through as many questions as I can. Yeah, so let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go. That's it. That's all. And I got a lot of questions. So first question, what do you aspire to be and why? Well, I want to be a op. Sorry, no, I don't want to be no op. But I want to be a criminal profiler because if you watch Criminal Minds, like, that's lit. That's lit. Like, I don't know. I just think it's interesting to like study like how criminal mind works and like how you can come up with a type of suspect based off the way that the crime was committed and you can have no suspects, you know, like a detective, like you have people that are already the suspect. Criminal minds, you gotta figure it out. You gotta take the behavior, analyze it, boom. I think that is lit. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna be. That's it. Next question. What's your favorite food?
Crab pizza is the pizza.
Wings, period. Hot wings, lemon pepper wings. I don't like barbecue. If you like barbecue, you weird. Period, you weird. That's just that. Yeah, so wings is my favorite food. Zaxby's. Y'all ever been to Zaxby's? Ooh, Outback too. Outback, green turtle, just wings. Oh, they so good. They so good. If you could travel anywhere, where would you go first and why? Cancun. Cause yeah, my girl Erin, I think it was Cancun that she went to. Well, I'm mentioning her, y'all go check out her channel. I'm gonna link it down below. Period. But yeah, so she went, I'm pretty sure it was Mexico, and she posted pictures and videos there. It's just so pretty. Like, how could you not want to go there? Like, if I could go anywhere, that's the first place on passport. Stamp me, cause I'm going. Any more tattoo ideas? Yes, like I said, I do have tattoo ideas. This is my first one. I don't know. If you don't know, now you know. All right. But I want to get. I'm thinking about like Arabic. Sorry, y'all. See my bro. But like here, I'm thinking about getting Chinese like symbols like going down right there. I feel like that would be lit. Probably like, I'm not sure what I want yet. I don't know what I want them to actually represent, but it's gonna be something meaningful. And then I know here, I plan on getting angel wings and a halo with my mom's name and some other stuff, but you know, for my mom. And me and my brother are supposed to be getting matching tattoos. I don't know where, but somewhere. And I'm supposed to be getting matching tattoos with my sister. So I got about like 3 or 4 more planned before the summertime. So stay tuned. I might do like a video on that, but whatever, we'll see. What is your end goal and how can YouTube help you achieve that goal? I like this question because it's different. And my end goal, I mean, my end goal honestly is just to be successful and like make sure that my daughter don't ever have to worry about nothing. Like, she can have everything that she wants and experience the world and travel and live life. And that's literally my end goal, just to be successful. And you know, I think I'm pretty funny. I think y'all think I'm pretty funny. And like, I would like to be like an entertainer or something like that, you know, realistically, but it's all about getting to the bag. So I gotta pay them bills. So that's why I said it, current profiler. But if I could be like an entertainer, if I could be in a movie, if I could be in a TV show, I would do that. Period. I would do it. I feel like YouTube can help me achieve that because it's a platform. If I'm crooked, like I'm not centered and it's bothering y'all, I'm sorry, because I know it will bother me. But YouTube can help me achieve that because it's a platform, you know? And yeah, so you gotta start somewhere. I started at nobody subscribed to my channel, and now we about to be at 600. So, I mean, if you wanna do something, just do it. People was either gonna back me up on the channel or they wasn't. People just started paying attention to my channel like a couple weeks ago. So, yeah, I feel like YouTube is just a way to get some exposure, y'all. I thought I saw something on my lash, but it's just a way to get some exposure. Get people like, okay, Belle, Belle Nation, what are they talking about? So yeah, YouTube can make you that because it's a platform. It's some exposure. What made you want to start YouTube? I feel like this is a basic question, but it's also a good question because I have to kind of like ask myself, like, why did I start this? And then I realized, like, you know, I'm 17, I'm about to be 18 years old. You know, I'm in the middle of getting ready to move on my own, like, just trying to figure out life and stuff. And I just want to show, like, other moms, other people. And like, you don't even have to be a mom. You be boy, girl, cat, dog, whatever. Like, just showing people that just because you're young and you have some setbacks, that don't mean that you can't be successful. I had a baby at 15, but I'm about to graduate. I'm about to graduate, period. You know, y'all know what the dropout rate is for teen parents, not even just teen parents, period. It's crazy. So that's why I started YouTube. I started YouTube to show people my life. Like, yeah, I'm a struggle and stuff like that. And y'all gonna see some of that, but end of the day, I'm gonna get it by any means. And just because I have setbacks, it does not mean nothing. Just because I have a baby does not mean nothing. That's why I started YouTube, to show y'all it can be done. Like Nike, just do it. That's it. How old are you? 17 till March 1st. Hey, that birthday countdown. Let me tuck cause my birthday is in like 29 days. Yes, I need. So yeah, stay tuned for that. That's gonna be lit. We're gonna have a good time, y'all. Belle Nation, we're gonna have a good time. This is about to die. I'm about to cry. If Nevaeh's name wasn't Nevaeh, what would you have named her? Aubrey. I wanted to name her Aubrey Sky, but that didn't work out with the other half of her. So we agreed on Nevaeh, but Aubrey Sky. If I was having another daughter, I think I would still name her Aubrey. I just feel like Aubrey is so peaceful and it's just so pretty, like Aubrey, you know? It wasn't just Aubrey. You know, just pretty. A-U-B-R-E-E or however, you know. Where do I see myself in 5 years? I actually got this question like quite a few times, but 5 years from now, y'all, I can barely think about next month. But to be honest, 5 years from now, I'll be 23 years old. I don't know, honestly. 5 years from now, I see myself being like, my YouTube gonna be popping. First of all, I feel like, and you know, once your YouTube get popping, you get a lot of other opportunities and like things like that. So I feel like I'm gonna be doing something to help other people through whatever. Like, I really wanna like start a program or like something and work with like young moms or like just teens in need, for real, boys, girls, whatever, because I just know how it feels, you know? You really need somebody. So I just want to do something like that. So I feel like 5 years from now, I'm gonna be 23 years old. I have bought my first house because that's what it is. And you know, like, I just blessed. 5 years from now, where do you see yourself? I see myself being blessed because YouTube, I feel like it's gonna be successful. I plan on having my first house. I plan on being in my bag, like so deep in my bag, like you could sit that joint up, cause I'm just really in my bag, like just successful. Like, I know that sounds so basic and so like generic, but it's the truth. I see myself being successful. I can't even tell you how because I don't know what God has planned for my life. 5 years from now, guess we're gonna find out. And that's it. That's all. Trying to think of another question. I passed on charger, and I'm sorry. I know the next question was, are you single or are you taken? And I know another one felt like soon after that was, do you like girls or boys, or girls and boys, or what? So let's get to the nitty gritty. Like, what's the tea? So my boo, me and my boo been dating for 0 months because I'm single.
Got it!
It's like, nah, I don't have no boyfriend. Nope, no boyfriend, just me, one Belle, single male of Belle. Cause I ain't even gonna hit y'all with it today. I ain't even gonna hit y'all with it. Yes, so just one Belle. So somebody wanna act right and change that. Hint, hint, wink, wink, nudge, nudge. Yeah, so when somebody act right and just change it and like, what's my act right, you know? And then the follow-up question was, do you like, are you bi or straight? Bi, straight, whatever. I'm straight. So no, I'm straight. I just like messing with y'all. But nah, I like boys. I barely like boys, cause let me tell y'all, they be, sis, you already know. But like, nah, like boys, they be blowing me. But yes, I like boys. I'm straight. I don't like girls. Sorry, chatty. Since I just straight on the questions, I know was my sexuality. I'm straight. What do I see? Like, what would I look for in a guy?
Right?
Like, I mean, I feel like everything's the same thing, you know, loyalty, but like, honestly, my requirements are like different, like, because I have a kid, so you know, I need somebody that's gonna accept that like wholeheartedly. Like, you know, you don't gotta play dad, but it's like you have to accept that with no repercussions. When it come up with to do with her, you know, she comes first. You have to understand that that's my responsibility in my life, and period. Like, that's it. Like, you have to accept that part of me, because that is a part of me, and they would have to accept that first and foremost, and be supportive. Like, you know, I'm trying to do a whole lot. I'm young. I'm trying to do YouTube. And somebody's gonna like support me and motivate me and be like have my back and be by my side. Cause I give 120, so I'm gonna need you to be giving 122, and we can just have 240. Like, I don't see why not. So yeah, I just need somebody really like support, obviously loyalty. Those are like big things. Like, to me, support is really important. Communication, yes, of course, you know, loyalty, obviously, but like support me, and that's it. Like, I've never had somebody put me on a pedestal. I always put everybody here and I be here. So, you know, yeah, all that, that's cool. That's what it is, y'all. It's 11 o'clock at night. I'm gonna wrap this up. I'm probably like 2 or 3 more questions, but one of another question was, do I live with my mom or like my parents? Like, who do I live with? That I live with my own, but I mean, obviously I said before that I was trying to live with my own, but no, I live with my grandmother. We live in Maryland right now. I don't live with my parents. This may sound so sad. So sorry. Don't feel bad for me. But no, like, my mom passed when I was like 3. So yeah, I don't really talk about that. Like, but yeah, I said I would do like a life story if y'all wanted that, and y'all been like saying yeah on my Instagram. So if y'all want to know about that part of Mella Belle, I will tell y'all. I will tell y'all. So just let me know. But yeah, I never met my dad. Don't know my dad. My dad don't probably even know me. But when I try to get big and be a star, he better not come out the woodwork like, "What's up, daughter?" Cause I'm gonna be like, "Nah, where was you at when I was starving? You ain't starved with me. You can't eat with me. Period." So now, all like jokes aside, now, like, I never met my dad. So yeah, and my mom passed when I was young. So hopefully she watching my videos. Like, you know, like in heaven, I feel like they got like a little break room and you can like watch, like, you can watch YouTube, and hopefully like she's watching my channel and she's like, "Dang, look at my daughter. She bad and like she's doing great." Now I made myself sad. Anyways, guy got me. We straight. Go deep, we good. So yeah, like, that's really majority of the questions. I might have missed a couple I missed a couple, but you know, the iPad died, so I had to go off the dome, off the top of the dome. Off the top of the dome, I had to let y'all know what was going on. I did a Q&A, hey. So now I be playing. If y'all want me really rap for real, I will like spit some heat. Anyways, that's all the questions I got for y'all today. That's all the answers I got for y'all today. That's all the tea I got for y'all today. Next time I might be serving lemonade. I might be serving water. I don't know. We're gonna find out. Yeah, I feel like I look beat. You know, I try to look presentable for y'all, but y'all, I'm tired. Your girl is tired. Y'all almost see me y'all almost see me slap this wig off at one point in this video because I'm just not having it. But aside from all that, I just thank y'all. Like, honestly, like, no joking around. Like, serious Belle. Thank y'all so much for really just supporting my channel and like really believing in me. Like, even if you don't, you watch my channels because you're a hater, I mean, you're still watching me though, so but anyways, like, for real, like, I'm actually so humble. Like, I really thank y'all, everybody that slides up. Y'all are starting to connect with me. Like, y'all adding me and y'all talking to me, giving me ideas. Like, for real, shout out to y'all. Shout out to the people that really do that because I appreciate it. I love it. I love talking to y'all. I love when y'all start up. I love when y'all ask me for advice. I love when y'all comment, like, interact. I'm not trying to be one of those YouTubers that interact now and then, you know, 600 subscribers, 6,000 subscribers, I don't care, 1,000, I don't care. We gonna interact the same way because we Belle Nation and we family, you know what I'm saying? So, for real, thank y'all for interacting with me. Thank y'all for just messing with my channel, for real. Thank y'all for subscribing. Thank y'all for sharing. Just thank you. I'm drawn out. I don't care. Like, thank y'all for real. I really appreciate it. And we're gonna keep that same energy. So y'all keep on adding me, y'all keep signing up, y'all keep talking to me, y'all keep coming to me for advice, like dropping video ideas, all of that. Like, yeah, my giveaway is still open. Oh, today is the 1st. Time goes by fast. So my giveaway is actually closed. Ended today, because today is the 1st. I have like a few people enter. I didn't even have a total of 5, which is all cool. It's all good. It's my first one. Next time we'll hype it up a notch. So I will be announcing the winners to that on my Instagram tomorrow, giving out the prizes, and that's what it is. Like, thank y'all for answering. Thank you to those who did answer. Thank you, and we will catch y'all next time because your girl got a blast. We out.